Descript AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we'll be diving into a detailed review of Descript, an AI-powered tool designed to transform how we approach video and audio editing. Links to the product will be in the description below for easy access. Descript is aimed primarily at content creators, podcasters, video editors, and anyone looking to streamline their editing workflow with the power of AI. It offers a suite of features that makes both editing and transcribing easier than ever. One of the standout features of Descript is its ability to transcribe your audio and video files into text. This transcription can be edited like a simple document, and any changes made will automatically sync with the audio or video. This makes trimming and editing content much more intuitive. No need to manually scrub through hours of footage or sound bites. For podcasters, this is a game changer, as you can generate show notes, captions, or even entire scripts with just a few clicks. Additionally, Descript offers a feature called Overdub, which allows you to clone your voice and use AI to generate new speech, matching your tone and style. While it might sound futuristic, it's incredibly useful for fixing mistakes or adding extra lines of narration without needing to record additional audio. It also includes screen recording, multi-clip editing, and powerful export options, ensuring that you can produce professional-level content in no time. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, even for beginners. You don't need to be a technical expert to get started. Descript has something for everyone, from simple text-based editing to complex video productions. Whether you're a YouTuber, a journalist, or a content creator looking to cut down on editing time, Descript can help you achieve high-quality results faster. In conclusion, Descript is an all-in-one tool that brings AI into the editing world in a way that's both powerful and accessible. If you're looking to save time and increase productivity, it's definitely worth checking out.